Good afternoon, everyone. Michael Mad Bow Tie Garage. As you can see, I'm coming to you from the easy chair this evening. And in this episode, we was lucky enough. Adam was able to go to Poplar, North Carolina, and he got a bunch of pictures and a few videos. So in this episode, we're going to show you some coverage from Run to the Hills in Poplar, North Carolina. Now, myself, I didn't get to go. I was laying block on me and my wife's new home. And Dale, he was actually in Pigeon Forge, so he didn't get to go to Poplar either. But Adam did, and he did get some coverage for us. So here is his coverage of Poplar, North Carolina. Again, thanks to Adam Edwards. And I've also got some pictures thrown there from Lauren Byers that went with them. And throw their collage together, and this is what you got. So here we go. The coverage of Poplar, North Carolina, Run to the Hills. right, everyone, that concludes the coverage of the Run to the Hills Car Show in Poplar, North Carolina. Again, a big thanks to Adam Edwards and Lauren Byers for getting the coverage that they did to be able to put this video together. Again, I know it's pictures and videos together, but I really, really appreciate them for doing that. Now, as far as next time on Mad Bowtie Garage, this upcoming weekend, Labor Day weekend, we have 2 shows we're going to be attending. First off, hopefully if nothing happens Saturday afternoon, we'll be back at the Cave Pizza. They're doing another car show out there, and they had a great turnout last time, and hopefully they will this time. And then Sunday, is the Elk Park car show at Jack Hitch Trucking, and that's in Elk Park, North Carolina. And we'll be at it as well, hopefully, weather permitting. So, hopefully have you 2 episodes coming up here pretty soon. So, stay tuned, channel. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we greatly appreciate that. Subscribing and liking and sharing with your friends. That means a lot to us. Me, Dale, and Adam all. So, I'm Michael, and I'm gone. We'll catch you next time on Mad Bowtie Garage.